Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing a Shop Miss A haul. So this is a little bit, I always say this, I don't know why. It's a little bit of a medium size haul. Okay, I buy medium size kind of hauls here. So I do a lot of Shop Miss A videos. I just did a 10 products that I don't love from Shop Miss A. So if you want to watch that, if it's up already, I'll have it linked down below. But today we're going to be talking about products that I repurchased because I love, new products that I saw on their website that I want to try out, that I have high hopes for. So if you want to see what those products are that I picked up, of course, just keep on watching. But before that, don't forget, if you like drinks and makeup, go ahead and stick around, subscribe, maybe hit the bell so you're notified whenever I upload, and if you could like the video if you like it, and the video's gonna start right now. First, I want to talk about a couple of products that I found at my local Marshalls. I know this has nothing to do with Shop Miss A, but it's just 3 products and I thought they were so adorable, and I want you to go run out and pick them up if you want them, if you want to give them to a friend or a family member for Christmas. You know, Christmas is coming up as well. So, you know, just to let you guys know, to throw it out there so you can go get it yourself before they're sold out. So we went to Marshalls yesterday and we found they had a little like Grinch collection coming out. I don't know who this is with. It's just like a bunch of Grinch things and they're so adorable. I did do a TikTok on these products. I think it's up already and not sure. If it's not, it's definitely coming soon. Up close look at everything in this collection. It's just 3 products, but I want to show you guys what those are. So this is the first product, and this is a pair of lashes. These are their Grinch false lashes. How cute is this? And I love how they put them backwards so it could look like his own lashes. This is so adorable. And on the back, you get the little picture of the little Grinch, and these were $3.99 at Marshalls. And again, these are just so adorable. I definitely had to share this with you guys. Next, they also had a headband. So this is the cosmetic headband, again from the Grinch collection. It has a bunch of little like Grinch faces on it. I think this is so adorable, and this was $4.99 at Marshalls. So cute. How adorable is this? If you even want to just buy all 3 things and put them in a little like gift basket for a friend, again, a family member, a co-worker, whatever, that loves the Grinch. I remember when I was younger, I used to watch the Grinch every single December. And now I'm just like, I don't know, I'm kind of over it now, but I still love the Grinch. So when I saw this, is so cute. I think they did such a good job. And I'm not really into like the cartoon version. I used to watch the one with you know, Jim Carrey, but I think this is so adorable, and it's a little cute headband. It comes with a little bow and it looks nice and stretchy. Then we have this product. This is the last product from the collection, and this is the Resting Grinch Face Eye Mask. How adorable is this? And it does come with little hair sticking out from the top, and this was $4.99 at Marshalls. There's a look at the back. So getting into the products that I purchased from Shop Miss A, the first one is this lip gloss. So they added a bunch of these like candy looking glosses. I think these are adorable. I didn't want to pick up every single shade because I know I'm not going to use them every single day, and I already own a lot of glosses. So I picked up one shade. I think this one's the one that intrigued me the most. This one here is their Candy Pop lip gloss in the shade Bubble, and it does come with a bluish side. It has like purple and blue in there, and then it does say Away Studio on it. It is part of their Papa collection. How cute is that? It is like an ombre type of vibe, and again, it looks like a little candy. So when you open it, it does come with a doe foot applicator. It smells really nice. It smells like gum. It's really cute. It's just a clear kind of vibe. It has a little tint to it, just like super subtle, super cute. So definitely cannot wait to try this out and try it in a full face of AOA Studio or Shop Miss A again. I just recently filmed a full face of Shop Miss A, so that's going to be linked down below if you want to watch. But yeah, and I also have a playlist down below as well, so you could watch and catch up on that. But this is the first product. I also went ahead and picked up another lip pop. I already own a couple other shades. I really like this formula. It's really nice, super glossy, not sticky, not stringy. Super great for the price you're paying. These are only $1. And again, this is the AOA Studio lip pop lip gloss in the shade Wild Child. So it is a pinky kind of vibe. I want to try it out and see. I really love the applicator because it does look like it's going to be a squeezy tube, but it actually does come with a doe foot applicator, which I love. And there's a swatch of Wild Child. I think this is so cute and it's gonna be perfect for Valentine's Day when that time comes. It's so nice. Again, super glossy and just such a great quality product for what you're paying. Next product, they added 2 lip oils. So I picked up one. This is the AW Studio Cherry Blossom Jojoba Lip Oil. What's really weird about these is they came out with 2, but this one comes in a more like square type of packaging or rectangle, and the other one is like a circle kind of packaging. I saw somebody else haul these and they said they come in different packaging, which is kind of weird. I don't know why they would do that. But this one here, again, is a jojoba oil one. It is more of a pinky kind of vibe, super cute, and I really love the little cherry blossoms. I didn't even notice that it is part of their cherry blossom collection. They came out with a couple of eyeshadow palettes, some blushes from the same collection. I think it's so cute. Love the cherry blossom vibes. So there's a look at the doe foot applicator, and it smells really skincare-y, very clean. This is gonna go so well with my skincare type of videos on TikTok. This is so cute. I definitely cannot wait to try this on the lips. And I believe it's just like a clear, yeah, it's just a clear lip oil. More like lip care kind of products. I repurchased the Jelly Jams. I purchased 2 of them. The same scent. I really love the honey one. I really love these. I always repurchase. I've tried the other ones before, like the rose one I'd say is the worst one. Don't pick it up, definitely don't recommend. But the honey one is for sure the best one on the website. So if you like a nice moisturizing lip mask at nighttime or whenever you want, these are definitely it. So pick them up. These are $155 on their website. Again, these are their Jelly Jam lip mask in honey, and super cute, so great. Next, I went ahead and picked up 4 of the A+ Super Lash Glue adhesives. I have the black one right here with me, but I really love these and I actually ran out recently, so I went ahead and restocked, purchased 4 of them because they're that good. These are, again, the A+ Super Strip Lash Adhesives in clear, and these retail for $188. So I went ahead and picked up 4 of those just to have in stock in my collection. So good. And on the back it does give you some instructions. These are just so great, so I'm glad to have these again. And if you didn't know, it also comes in a black shade as well. They also went ahead and added some more skincare type of products. I went ahead and purchased the mini size, but they also come in a bigger size as well. This is a Shea Butter Coconut Body Scrub. Kind of want to try them out and see my thoughts. We also have the Aloe Vera Face and Body Gel, which is meant to moisturize the skin. Again, these are going to be perfect for my TikToks. And then we also have this Alpha Arbutin Brightening Cream. I think this is going to be so cute. I love the travel size kind of moment. I love that they gave us that option to buy a small one and just try it out and see our thoughts, and then you can buy a bigger one, which I think is so good. Getting into face primers, I bought a couple of them. The first one is the Blurfection Face Primer. This is one that I've talked about before. I wasn't going to repurchase, but I did it again just to try it out again with you guys. These actually I went through really quickly, and I think they just run out fast. That's why I said I was going to repurchase. But this is the Blurfection Face Primer. It's meant to minimize pores, and this was only $1. So I am definitely going to have to do another full face of AOA Studio. So I thought, why not just throw it in my cart? It's only $1. Next one, we have the AOA Studio Wonder Skin Primer. So this one comes in a couple other shades. It's meant to be color correcting. I don't think it really does that, but it was in a cute pink shade, so I thought, why not throw it in my cart? Again, this is just their color correcting face primer in the pink color. I do own the blue one. I have their blurring one. I used to have the matte one. I finished it up. So they have a lot of different versions. So if you're wondering about these, you know, they're pretty good. And again, these are part of their Wonder Skin line. Next one is the AOA Studio Perfect Filter Face Primer. This one is very hydrating. I love it. It smells really good. However, this one came open in my package and it's kind of spilling out. I don't know. I think I'm gonna have to toss this, but I wanted to let you guys know that I did repurchase. It's just it came open, so I kind of don't trust it. It's such a good formula, but again, I think I'm just gonna toss. And lastly, for face primers, I went ahead and repurchased the Clean Slate Primer. This is another one that I really enjoy. I love the smell. I love how it feels on the face. It's a really nice formula. It's not super like matte. It's just a really nice in-between kind of product. So this one's really nice. Again, this is their Clean Slate Primer. Let's get into the more randomy kind of products. They added a bunch of like phone accessories on their website recently. This is the Miss A USB iPhone cable cord from the A+ line. So this was $188 on their site, and I thought, why not try it out and see my thoughts, and I'm definitely going to let you guys know soon how it works. So again, this one gives back to charity, so it was $188, but I think it's worth it. I want to see how it works, and it also does come in a black shade as well. I love their hand creams that they offer on SHEGLAM, especially the ones from this brand here. This is the Defeel Rose Water Luxury Hand Cream. I really like this one. I love the ones from AOA Studio, their own brand. But I feel like the ones from this line are just a little more rich, a little more creamy. This is more of a thicker kind of formula, so it feels like it's very hydrating to the hand. So I really like buying these. I buy a lot of different scents. They have a coconut scent, lavender scent, but I wanted to try out the rose water one. So I'm going to give you guys an up close look at that. These are really good from the website. I went ahead and repurchased this, and I'm so glad that I did because I needed it today to cut these lashes down because they were a little long. So this is the AOA Studio Brow Scissors, and they're only $1. I went ahead and purchased these again. So far I have 2 of them. One of them I use them so much that I had to purchase another pair just to have on hand. Always, these are like hardcore steel kind of little scissors. I think they're great. They're multi-use. I use them to cut down my lashes when they're too long, cut my brows when they're a little too long. Like, I use this for a lot of different stuff, so I'm so glad to have this again in my collection. And I have already another one that I love a lot, so why not have 2? Next, I went ahead and purchased some more nail files. These are the wood nail files, and it comes with 5 of them in here. I use nail files a lot because I put a lot of press on nails. I like to use nail files, so I thought why not pick up a pack of 5. Next, I picked up 1 face mask. I don't know why. Again, I'm doing a lot of like skincare kind of TikToks. I'm getting into TikTok more. I'm doing a lot of hauls over there, so definitely follow me there if you haven't already. But I kind of wanted to start doing a self-care kind of Sunday vibe on there, so I thought why not throw this in my cart. This is the Esfolo Pearl Essence Mask, and it comes with 1 mask in here. I thought this was so cute, so why not try it out. I went ahead and purchased a whole pack of the Pop blenders. You can also find this on Amazon, but I just go ahead and throw it in my cart on SHEGLAM. It retails for around like $10, I believe, on their website, and it comes with 6 of their most popular blenders on their website. Definitely check these out if you haven't already. They're definitely a cult favorite for a reason. They're really nice, soft, blendable. They're really good, so definitely recommend these. But I went ahead and picked up the 6-pack. Last products are very like Halloween. So first off, I went ahead and picked up their headband. I'm really disappointed by this because these are coming off. They're so adorable, but I am gonna have to glue it down with some nail glue or something. So basically this is just their little pumpkin headband, but again it's like kind of falling apart. But this is only like $1 on their site, so I'm just gonna put some nail glue in there and see if I could still use it. I'm only gonna use it for 1 day, so it's okay. Alongside this product, so they also had this like necklace on the website that has a bunch of little pumpkins on it that light up, and this is their light up Halloween pumpkin necklace from the A+ line. So it did retail for $188, and this actually does work really well. You can definitely do like different type of settings for the pumpkins. So we made it to the end. I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed filming this for you today. Everything that I talked about, all the names of the prices, are going to be down below, as well as any videos that I mentioned throughout this video or videos that I uploaded last week. Don't forget to upload 3 times a week on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sundays. If you could stick around, that would be amazing. I have both my Insta handle and my TikTok on the screen. I've been posting different content on both of those platforms, so definitely follow me on both if you can. And it'd be so amazing if you could like and subscribe. Of course, you don't have to. You're your own person and you make your own decisions, but it wouldn't hurt to give this video a like, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.